Hey lovely souls, here's a sneak peek of this Celestial Swipe fluid art piece. It's a glowing acrylic pour painting in shimmering blues, coppers and golds. Stunning cells are blooming across the canvas and I'm creating that galaxy inspired texture and depth I love here on Marie Louise Art. So thank you so much to all my subscribers and to my dear members MJ Fluid Art, Linda and Silver Dove. So today is another Talent Tuesday, so please check out Kim's creation in the description and pinned comments below. So today this Celestial Fluid Art Swipe has got amazing cells and I'm using two formulas for my cell activator. And I'm going to take you along for the ride today with this 30-inch wooden round. I'm using some really gorgeous colours today, some of my favourites, blues, coppers and gold. So the base paint for today is a lilac colour, and the lilac is made up of iridescent blue, green, white and a tiny bit of black. And I'm layering the colours up just to make it really easy, or perfect for beginners really, and anyone who loves galaxy art or fluid painting and glow inspired acrylic pours, because it tends to be something I really do lean towards, this galaxy art. I can't resist it. And everything I'm creating at the moment ends up being some form of galaxy piece. So you can see all the colours, and this is one of my favourite colours, copper and iridescent blue-green. When I was putting them together, I thought, how are these going to go together? But I've never used this colour palette, and as you know, if you follow my channel, I love experimenting. So here's an experiment for today. And I will give a shout out to the amazing Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, both Bubbles and Wombat, or Darren and Kayleen as you may know them, do the most amazing spiral swipes and use their cell activators in the most crazy way. Really fascinating, amazing artists and lovely friends. So I'll put a link to their channel at the end of this video, and what I'm going to be doing every week from now on is putting a video playlist or video at the end of my videos to show which artist has inspired me for that week, because I just love when we share each other's work and grow together. And these two are such a wonderful couple and just lovely friends, so go and check out their channel. So if you look at the colour palette here today, what do you think? I just love how these blues, the copper and the golds together just shimmer. And in them there's one drop of silicone oil by Pebeo in every single paint, including the base paint. And now I'm using my cell activator, which is Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Titanium White. And here comes the spiral. Kayleen, I hope you like my spiral swipe today. It's got a celestial vibe, and I watched her videos so many times to see how she did it. She used a very different palette knife to me, but this is the widest and longest one I could find. And I thought it turned out pretty okay. And as I was swiping, I was thinking, my goodness, look at all those cells popping up. The cells are stunning. And they're beginning to bring that richness of the copper and the blue combined together. Oh my goodness, I'm really loving this colour palette. And that sort of lilac base is giving it a celestial hue underneath it. What do you think? When you're doing galaxy art, you have to have some shimmer, you have to have some glow. And so if you can see how I'm using my palette knife and how I've used the cell activator to add the whites, to add the contrasting colours, I'd love to know what you're doing in your galaxy pieces at the moment and how you create fluid art pieces with these contrasting colours. So what I'm doing now is I'm using my palette knife to just wiping it off in between and just getting a bit of the blue to create a tiny bit of contrast, because even though I'm really happy with my spiral swipe on my spinner, I would like as well to give it more of defined centre, so you can see that I'm doing that there. And part of it is using that blue, but part of it is actually by putting the palette knife into the colours, I'm very carefully blending them and creating more definition, so the celestial swipe comes into its own. So enjoy the music, and I'll come back shortly towards the end to show you the results.
etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line, with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Circle our victims like lions. You fear, I can smell. You're afraid, I can tell. We're made to be more than just human. Born to defend.
To give this celestial swipe a little bit more definition and to make the most of the golds and copper and iridescent blue, I'm using a cocktail stick to do a very, very light swirl in between, and it's really helping some of the cells to combine in a really beautiful way. And this is another thing that Kayleen and Darren tend to do, that when they're combining their cells and they're creating their composition, they use palette knives or cocktail sticks or skewers, more famously, to create their patterns and their composition. So I'd love to know what you think of this today and what you're creating and what you're working on. If you are enjoying my videos, I would so appreciate it if you subscribed for more Galaxy acrylic pours, glow art tutorials and fluid painting inspiration. I'm doing so many different experiments at the moment, and I really appreciate you being along the ride. Joining me on my journey means the world. So here's a close-up of this piece. Look at how the colours are blended. I just love these colours so much. And one colour I didn't mention earlier, but you probably saw pop up, is the iridescent green blue. That's a secret weapon for me. I absolutely adore that colour. So let's go across now and see what my amazing friend Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy has created with her Larimar piece today. Thank you so much for being here, and don't forget that your art is a piece of you. I hope you've enjoyed this celestial swipe today, this radial swipe galaxy piece. Take good care, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Everyone I know is gone, and I love the silence, but that's what kills me after too long. And the